120 North Wall Building. This is the...
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
How did you do that?
This is the elevator at the N Wall Building.
120 North Wall.
N20 North Wall.
I can't believe you found a new elevator.
Wow. That is an amazing dinner bell. Look at that. Nice. Wow. This is old. Oh my goodness. Get to the side.
It's very slow, it looks like. Well, or maybe it doesn't work.
Maybe it doesn't work. Maybe it must be trapped.
Wait. No, what happened? Try it again.
Wait a minute. It
Oh, it didn't go anywhere.
didn't go anywhere. Oh, look at this. This is grotty.
Is this the elevator that doesn't go anywhere?
Take a cab view. I'm not sure if it goes anywhere.
It doesn't go anywhere. That's so weird. Well, it's an elevator.
Well, that's an elevator that we found, but it doesn't work.
It's so funny.
It's so funny. They should work on that. Maybe ThyssenKrupp should modernize this elevator. But yeah, that's it. No idea why the lantern's still lit.
This is the elevator at the 120 North Wall Building. Sadly, this elevator has been modernized, but let's see what it is. B. This is what that elevator used to be. B is locked. 5. Right, 5. Let's go back down to 2. We're not going to get that on 1. Used to be an old Otis, but it was modernized by Vertical Options. I've never seen an elevator like that before. That's it.